So, good evening, Miss. We are the assigned group for this problem, which is the problem 2. I am Inandoy Christian C, and my group mates are Manriquez Herbert F. Jr., Paner Lil Cedric B, Pipito Joshua, and Pimentel Cedric. So, our problem was two vessels are 20 miles apart, vessel A being due north of vessel B. A cliff is spotted from the vessels, and its bearing from vessel A and vessel B are 56 degrees of east of south and 34 degrees east of north. Respectively, how far is the cliff from vessel B? So that was our problem. So first, we're gonna plot it in a Cartesian plane. After that, we're gonna find the 20 miles, which is we're gonna up because ang 20 miles apart man siya sa B, muna nga padung siya sa babaw, 20 miles apart, due north of vessel B. So after that, imo i-plot ang A nga 56 degrees east of south, which is gonna ang line kay padung siya sa ubos, 56 mao ni siya makita nga 56 angle, and then ang kato na sa north of ang 34 degrees east of north, mao na siya ang katong vessel B. Mao siya makita sa ubos nga kanang paslanting siya nga 34 degrees, mao na siya ang vessel B. So the next slide, it will be presented by Paner. She's gonna discuss about our topic.
So, in this problem, two vessels are 20 miles apart, with vessel A due north of vessel B. A cliff is sighted from both vessels, with bearing south 56 degrees east from A and north 34 degrees east from B. The line AB lies along the north-south direction, forming angles of 56 degrees and 34 degrees at A and B, respectively. The included angle at the cliff is therefore 90 degrees. So, this setup represents case 1 of AAS of the oblique triangle, where two